Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to perform elementary column operation. So here we have already seen elementary row operation. So it is similar to that. It is same actually, but we are not changing the rows. Instead we are changing the columns. Okay. So we will see few properties which we can do, which operations we can do on columns. Okay. So the first property is we can change ith column to jth column or jth column to ith column, that is interchanging of ith and jth column. So we will understand this better using an example. So we have a problem here. A is equal to 1 2 3 6 2 1 1 1 2, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will change the first column to second column. So we will write C1 we are changing into C2 and C2 to C1. So that's why we put this arrow mark. Okay. So how can we write this? A is equal to, which is the first column. This is first column, second column. Second column we'll write in the first, and first column we will write in the second position. So that is second column, this we have to write in the first column, and first column we are writing in the second column. This is one operation which we can perform along the columns. Okay, we'll see the next one. A second property is we are changing the Cj, that is column, jth column to k into jth column. That is we are multiplying the jth column with a scalar, multiplying the jth column elements by the scalar k. We'll understand this better using an example. Okay. Here we have a matrix A, which is 2 cross 2 matrix, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first column contains 1, 2, second column contains 3 and 4 elements. Okay, so here I'll multiply C1 with a scalar. Scalar can be any number. So I'll take 2. So I'm multiplying C1 with 2, that is 2 into C1. So what can you do? We can write this way, right? So first column you're multiplying with 2. So 1 2 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4. So you have second column to remains the same. So this is your required matrix. Let's see the next property. So here Ci, that is ith column, is changed to ith column plus k into jth column. So this answer, after calculating this answer will be replaced in the ith column. So we will understand this better using an example. Okay. So here we have a matrix 3 2 1 4, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Here I will change column 1 to column 1 plus 2 into column 2. So this operation I have to perform on 2 into column 2, plus you have to add this element with C1 elements. Okay, let's see how to do that. A is equal to, so we are okay, 3, we are replacing the first column, right? How are we replacing? C1. C1 is 3 plus 2 into C2. 2 into 2. Again, second element. C1 plus 2 into second column, second element. 2 into 4, right? 2 into 2, 2 into 4 gives 2 into C2, right? Again, now again you have second column to be remaining the same, 2 and 4, 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have the answer to be A is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Again 2, here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is your required matrix after performing the column operation C1 to C1 plus 2 into C2. Let's see one more example. Here A is a 3 cross 3 matrix and I am performing the operation C1 to C1 plus 2 into C3. That is, the C1 column is being changed to C1 plus 2 into C3. Okay, so let's do it. We have A is equal to, first column is being changed, that is 2 plus 2 into 1. Again this is 3 plus 2 into 1. 3 plus 2 into 1. Again 1 plus C1 plus 2 into C3. That is 2 into 1. Again second and third column remains the same. 1 2 1 1 1 1. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So calculating this, what do we get? We have 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 5, and 2 plus 1 3, right? Again we have 1 2 1 1 1 1, which remains the same, 1 2 1 1 1 1. So this is a required matrix after performing this operation.
Thank you for watching.